Thanks for being with us here on India Today. I'm Chaiti Narula joining you with all the updates that are coming in from Olympics. So let's begin. There was a bit of a setback for India early on in one of the Olympic Games. Shooters Valav Rivan and Apurvi Chandela failed to qualify for the final of the women's 10-meter air rifle event. World number one, Valav Rivan only finished 16th with total of 625.5. 2 points short of the final qualifying spot. Apurvi Chandela, who holds the world record in the event, only finished 36 with a total of 621.9. And let's get to the updates coming in from hockey. India have just defeated New Zealand 3-2 in the pool A encounter in Tokyo that finished only a few moments back. Rupinder Pal Singh opened the scoring for India, and while New Zealand equalized, Harmanpreet Singh backed a brace to give India the lead. The Kiwis got one back in the third quarter, but India managed to emerge victorious at the end. Let's go straight across to Boria Majumdar and Rahul Rawat, who are joining us live from Tokyo at this point of time. Boria, what a fantastic way to start the day. India just defeated New Zealand 3-2 in the pool A encounter in Tokyo that finished just about a while, moments back if I'm not mistaken.
Absolutely, 10 seconds back. In fact, I was wondering if you were the good luck charm. Because, in the morning it did not start too well with Ella Venil and Apurvi Chandela missing out, Chaiti. But just now, India beating New Zealand 3-2. The last 5 minutes were extremely tense. Surinder Kumar saved the last penalty corner. The referral was given. This is what the India story has been, and this is a change. Every time we are unable to sort of keep our lead in the very last minute, but that has changed here in Tokyo, and I hope that is a sign for things to come. If you can see behind me, this is actually the shooting range. I'm right outside the shooting range. These are the participants' cars in which all of the participants will go back. I just met Ella Venil about 20 minutes back. She was distraught, absolutely distraught, because, as it is understandable. It is understandable that after an event, if you lose, you were billed as a possible medal contender, Chaiti. But I said to her, she's got another crack. She's got another crack on the 27th in the mixed event. Fingers crossed, exactly 1 hour from now, Saurabh Chaudhary takes center stage. I will go in and cheer for him. You keep fingers crossed, because I think Saurabh Chaudhary will get us a medal.
Fingers are crossed. The entire nation keeps their fingers crossed, Boria. And as much as I wish I was the good luck charm, I think it's all of the sportsmen doing their work, their hard work, grit, determination, finally all playing off. And as far as sport is concerned, as long as you participate, whether you win or lose, you have to let it just play out. It's true sportsmanship in that sense. Boria continued to be with us right there. There's a bit of a setback for India early on in day in one of the Olympic Games. Shooters Valav Rivan, as Boria was just mentioning, and Apurvi Chandela failed to qualify for the final of the women's 10-meter air rifle event. World number one Valav Rivan only finished 16 with a total of 625.5, 2 points short of the final qualifying spot. Apurvi Chandela, who holds the world record in the event, only finished 36 with a total of 621.9. Meanwhile, better news coming in from archery, where the mixed team event, Deepika Kumari and Praveen Chadha recorded an impressive win over their counterparts from Chinese Taipei. From 0-2 down, India did extremely well to win the match 5-3. Rahul Rawat is also joining us with all the very latest details. Rahul, if you could just walk our viewers through all that has transpired. The viewers are waiting for updates coming in from Tokyo and all that one is looking forward to as far as Olympics is concerned and the Indian contingent is concerned. And, let's not call this a setback early in the day with the shooters failing to qualify for the final of the women's 10-meter air rifle event. I'm sure they gave their best.
Well, Chaiti, I think why everybody is calling it a setback, because we were actually expecting that, fair enough, as you mentioned, that at the end of the day, participation and everything, a lot of these things matters. But, these people, they were winning World Cup medals throughout the year. Every year they would win. And here, today, at least they could have made it to the finals. It's very unfortunate that, these two girls, Apurvi Chandela and Ella Venil, they've shared the world number one spot between themselves a couple of times, in fact. So at least you would expect them to make it to the finals, but they didn't. Anyways, you said looking forward to. I was at the ranges. In fact, me and Boria were together there at the ranges. Now I am heading towards the weightlifting arena where Mirabai Chanu. I have always believed. In fact, I have said this multiple times that the best chance on day one, perhaps Mirabai Chanu is going to get us the first medal of the day. Even though, as Boria said, Saurabh Chaudhary, and not to forget Abhishek Verma as well. So these are three athletes, I think, are good enough to get India at least one or two medals. So I don't think that we are going to have a dry day as far as medals of here from Tokyo are concerned. And we are expecting, maybe a couple of good hours, because in next couple of hours we should have a medal at least.
And I just want to just bring in Boria for just about a second. Boria, all of us have a bad day at work many times, and this perhaps was just one of those for the shooters.
Yeah, but at the Olympic Games, you can't have a bad day, Chaiti. I mean, if you had seen Ella Venil-Vallereven, and that's what I said. I was inspiring her. I was telling her that it can happen. She was distraught. She said, "Sir, I'm going to watch the final." And Rahul was there with me. I mean, you could have seen her and you would have felt something has happened. And that's what it is. 5 years of hard work, and it all goes bust because of 1 point or 2 points. Rahul, he's met me today after quarantine for the first time. And I know there's some decent Indian restaurants in Japan. Wherever there is the best rasgulla, I'm going to get that for him as long as his prophecy of Mirabai Chanu and Saurabh Chaudhary comes true. That's a public promise on India today. Rahul's getting the best mishti in Japan. But fingers crossed, I also expect Mira Chanu to get us a medal. 8 contenders there. Mira Chanu going in with the best cumulative lift of 210. If she can do that, there's one Chinese. If Mira Chanu can do her best, no reason to believe that Mira Chanu will not become the second Indian after Karnam Malleshwari to win a medal in weightlifting. I'm giving Saurabh Chaudhary or Abhishek Verma a medal. Fingers crossed for pistol, fingers crossed for Mira Chanu.
And get some rasgullas back for us here too, Boria. We want to know how the Japanese rasgullas really taste. Stay with us right there. 5 years ago, Mirabai Chanu's world came crashing down in Rio after she had 5 of her 6 lifts ruled invalid. But this year, 26-year-old weightlifter from Manipur is determined to compensate for having frozen up on the big day when she takes the Tokyo Olympics dais tomorrow. Chanu spoke to my colleague Rahul Rawat earlier about her preparations for the big Olympic challenge. Let's listen in.
मीरा, ओपनिंग डे यानी पहले दिन ओलंपिक्स के क्या इंडिया अपना पहला मेडल जीत रहा है, और वो जीतने वाली एथलीट क्या मीराबाई चानू है?
हाँ, मैं पूरा ऐसे अभी डर भी है, क्योंकि पूरा इंडिया के लिए मैं सबसे पहले कंपटीशन करने वाली हूँ, फाइट करने वाली हूँ इंडिया के लिए। तो थोड़ा सा डर भी है, मतलब, और अच्छा भी लग रहा है, क्योंकि सबसे पहले मुझे ही पूरा भारत मुझे देखेगी, तो बहुत ही एक्साइटेड भी हो रही है। पर मेरी तरफ से मैं पूरा कोशिश करूंगी पहला दिन ही इंडिया के लिए एक मेडल लेने के लिए। मेरे अंदर पूरा मैं कोशिश करूंगी, पूरा इंडिया की तरफ से।
जब भी कोई नॉर्थ ईस्ट का कोई एथलीट किसी वर्ल्ड स्टेज पे जाता है, पहुंचता है, बोला जाता है कि यार हमारे लिए ये एक हमारी रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती है। उनके लिए कितनी बड़ी बात है ये? और थोड़ा सा अपना फैमिली बैकग्राउंड के बारे में बताइए। कहाँ से? हमें पता है कि यार थोड़ा वेट ज्यादा उठा लेती थी बचपन में, तो घर वालों ने कहा जी चलो इससे वेट लिफ्टिंग करवाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ था?
लकड़ी जो हम मेरा गांव है इम्फाल से 22 किलोमीटर की एक छोटा सा गांव है। तो इसमें हम साल भर की लकड़ी इकट्ठे करके हम रख देते हैं, तो हिल्स में जाके। तो उसी टाइम में मैं बहुत जाती हूँ बचपन में जब वीकेंड होते हैं, तो उसी टाइम में मैं जाती हूँ घर के लिए कुछ काम करने। तो उसी टाइम में मैं लकड़ी इतना ज्यादा मतलब उठा के लेके आते हैं, तो सब बोलती थी इतना कैसे उठाए कि आपको, मैं उठा लूंगी यूं करके ऐसा लेके जाऊंगी। तो सब मना भी करते हैं कि इतना छोटे बच्चे हैं तो आप कैसे उठाएंगे, मत उठाओ ऐसा करके, थोड़ा थोड़ा लेके चलो। पर मुझे इतना वो नहीं मानती थी, मैं लेके जाऊंगी, मेरा मर्जी है, मैं जितना भी लेके जाओ तो मैं ऐसे ही लेके आती थी। तो मम्मी बोलती थी कभी एक दिन आप इतना ऐसा उठा सकते हैं तो आपको कुछ गेम्स में, पहले से ही हमारी फैमिली गेम में ही रही है। मेरा 2 भैया है, फुटबॉल प्लेयर है, तो मम्मी पापा भी फुटबॉल खेलते हैं, वैसे गांव में ऐसा करते हैं। तो लकी है मेरे लिए तो पापा गेम्स में मैं डालना तो नहीं चाहती थी, फिर भी मम्मी ज्यादा पसंद करते हैं वेट लिफ्टिंग जान। तो उसी टाइम तो वेट लिफ्टिंग क्या होते हैं पता नहीं थे हमारे, तो हेवी उठाना ऐसे बोलते हैं। तो मैं भी एक दिन ऐसा मन में आ रहा था, हाँ मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए कुछ गेम में। और उसी टाइम में कुंजुरानी मैडम की हिस्ट्री भी साथ साथ में पढ़ी थे, हमारी बुक्स में थी स्कूल में, तो वो हिस्ट्री भी पढ़ा था। तो मन में ऐसा लगा था कि हाँ मुझे भी गेम करके मैडम जैसा कुछ बनना चाहिए।
So Mirabai Chanu eyeing redemption right there. You heard her exclusive in conversation with Rahul Rawat. Other Indian stars are also going to be in action later in the day. In badminton, the doubles pair of Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy and Chirag Shetty are going to be facing the Chinese Taipei pair of Lin Chi Wong and Yong Li in a few minutes from now. Sai Praneeth will also be playing his first singles match against Israel's Misha Zimmerman. And in boxing, Vikas Krishnan will have his first bout in the round of 32 in the welterweight category. He will be facing Japan's Okazawa for the place in the next round. The women's hockey team is also going to be locking horns with Netherlands in the evening. That game is at 5:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time, IST.
India, that's correct.
Boria Majumdar still continues to be live with us from Tokyo. Boria, walk our viewers through some of the biggest names that are going to be in action today, all that the viewers have to watch out for today.
First hit by Namita Topo from the top of the D. The goalkeeper and the defender saved it.
Okay, 5 things. One, exactly 50 minutes from now, Saurabh Chaudhary and Abhishek Verma take center stage right here at the Asai shooting range. And I expect both of them to make the final. I expect a medal there, and I'm saying it repeatedly. At 1:50 Tokyo time, which is 10:20 India time, is when Meera Chanu will take center stage in the weightlifting arena. That's where Rahul is on his way at the moment. That's number 2. Number 3, you rightly said, Vikas Krishan Yadav. Vikas has beaten Okazawa in the past. He's beaten this Japanese fellow. And if he does beat this Japanese chap today, and the advantage is there will be no crowd, so no host support for the Japanese boxer. So I expect Vikas Krishan Yadav to go through. If Satvik and Chirag, and Gopi Chand tells me repeatedly that Satvik and Chirag have a great chance against the world number 3. This Chinese Taipei pair is the world number 3. This is a tough group. Satvik and Chirag will need to win 2 to go through. If they can cause an upset today, within about half an hour from now, the archery team will have their quarterfinals. That's a tough one, Chaiti. That's against Korea. That's a really tough one. But if they can upset Korea, then there's a medal. So lots of Indian action. And as I said, I'm expecting medals today.
Oh, yes. We're all expecting medals. And we hope that India ends up bagging those medals as well. Boria, continue to be with us. Rahul, continue to be with us. Both of them live in action right there from Tokyo, getting us up to speed with the very latest developments. We're slipping into a short commercial break. Lots more on the other side on India Today.